Make cleaning a breeze with the Tomahawk Floor Scrubbers, the ultimate tool for efficient floor maintenance. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to get your scrubber ready for use. Start by carefully removing all parts from the box. Ensure you have all necessary components, including the scrubber unit and charger. To prepare the floor scrubber for operation, charge the battery fully before the first use. Connect the charger to the power outlet and the charging port on the scrubber. The indicator light will turn red during charging and green once fully charged. To fill the solution tank, detach it from the scrubber and pull out the hose. Pour the appropriate cleaning solution while following the manufacturer's dilution guidelines. Avoid overfilling to prevent spills. To start cleaning, unlock the base and turn on the scrubber by pressing the power button. Adjust the handle to a comfortable height for easy maneuvering. Release the solution by pressing the solution control button and guide the scrubber forward to clean the floor. The rotating brushes will scrub the surface, while the vacuum system collects the dirty water into the recovery tank. For optimal cleaning results, make overlapping passes half the width of the scrubber to ensure complete coverage. Monitor the recovery tank and empty it as needed to maintain suction efficiency. After cleaning, turn off the scrubber, then empty and rinse both the solution and recovery tanks to prevent residue buildup. Wipe down the scrubber and store it in a dry, secure location. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.